Leaving people behind.
Leave everything behind.
Leave someone or something behind. Leave someone or something behind ឃ្លាមួយនេះមានន័យថាទុកនរណាម្នាក់ឬអ្វីមួយចោលឬចេញទៅដោយមិនយកនរណាម្នាក់ឬអ្វីមួយជាមួយយើងឧទាហរណ៍ Your bag is too heavy. You should leave it behind. Your bag is too heavy. You should leave it behind. មានន័យថាការបបរបស់អ្នកគឺធ្ងន់ពេកហើយអ្នកគួរតែទុកវាចោលទៅឬអ្នកគួរទៅដោយគ្មានវាឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត You need to walk faster or else you'll get left behind. You need to walk faster or else you'll get left behind. មានន័យថាអ្នកត្រូវដើរលឿនជាងនឹងបើមិនដូច្នេះទេអ្នកនឹងត្រូវគេទុកចោលឬទៅចោល
Leaving behind his
Someone I left behind.
Leave him behind.
Leaving someone you love behind.
By leaving no one behind.
Country leaving their kid behind with someone else.
It's about leaving someone behind.
But the boy did leave something behind.
In order to leave something significant behind,
You leave behind. Leaving me behind.
Leaving everything behind.
I want to leave something behind me, something worthwhile.
And leave a little something behind.
I plan on leaving something behind.
Let's leave something behind.
Did leave something behind.
Leave something behind. We leave something behind.